The people of Jammu and Kashmir, they will never accept less than their right, which was promised by the India, promised by the international community, and they will not accept the allocation of Article 370 and 35A. This is the basic for the right of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Indian security forces are massing in Kashmir. They are killing. Before it's too late, please come forward and support the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And that's why we want the people of Europe, the people of the international community to come forward to stop this genocide of people of Jammu and Kashmir. The Indian forces are preparing a massacre. The Indian forces are preparing a genocide of people of Jammu and Kashmir. Please come forward and support the people of Jammu and Kashmir before it's too late.